Hello and welcome. Michael Gish with MarineMax in Maryland. Today I am standing on our brand new 2021 Cruisers Yachts 42 GLS. Brand new boat for us here in Maryland. First one we have on the ground and excited to walk you through it. Starting at the power plant, triple Mercury 450Rs. Yes, that's a 450 horsepower V8 outboard motor, and yeah, there's 3 of them. So plenty of performance for you. This one comes out of the racing side of Mercury, so the performance is just guaranteed. First thing you're going to notice about this boat, it is the South Beach Edition. A little bit louder graphics package on both the exterior, the nice slate gray, gunmetal gray on the outside, and the ochre interior. Gives it that real sporty touch to it, especially with the red stitching here. Swim platforms on both sides, beach mode, port in, starboard, fold down. You can see we got the port one down here. Gives you that little bit of extra space that you really want when you are out hanging out, swimming up, and diving off the back of the boat. Still get a nice swim area. Ladders are on both sides of this boat, something I just personally enjoy. Doesn't matter what side you're getting in and out, easy to get on and off the boat. Entertainment space, plenty of it. Back of the cockpit here, nice wood table, high gloss finish, seating for 6 all the way around. Opposite side, the entertainment area, sink, grill top burner. You know, something I really find really useful is you get your grill top here, but you still have counter space outside of that. So it's very easy to truly put out a spread and still be using this space. You know, little cruisers things, personal favorite again, tap the button, sure shade comes in. Don't have to stand there and hold it. Very, very easy, simple system. You can hear how quiet it is. I mentioned a little bit ago about entertaining. Refrigerator, ice maker. Again, it's all about having everything you need on board to take care of your guests. So moving from the port side entertainment space, we're going to go over towards the helm. Nice double wide helm, flip down armrest, flip down bolster, gives you that extra room. Definitely room for 2 people as you're cruising. Great visibility. You can see standing all the way around. We did opt for the full glass on all 3 sides here. Makes it a little more versatile for the Chesapeake Bay area. A little bit more enclosure, less plastic. Most people enjoy that. Nice Simrad screens here. Everything you need, all the engine data, depth, GPS. It's all over there. Very, very easy to use. Split screens, really simple, easy to work. Helm, real clean and concise. Push button backups for some of the items that you use on a more regular basis. Rockford Fosgate stereo, so you can really crank those tunes. Bluetooth right in, great sound out of it. One of the things I do like, very simple to use and easy to flip between the zones. You can actually put different music on in different parts of the boat. I mentioned before it's got the Mercury 450Rs, still get the joystick docking. So again, simple, easy to dock this thing. We got a little bit of wind and current here at the Narrows and you can still put it in like a pro. Skyhook, press the button, hang the fenders and lines, get ready for an easy docking experience. As you're moving forward here, nice little cruisers feature, 2 little bar stools. Again, great use of space, still plenty of room to walk through here. But again, gives you more room for that entertainment. Going through the big windshield here, this flips up, opens up to the bow. And you have big bow seating. And again, I'm sitting up here, you can see easily room for another 4 people. Lots of space, run up here 50 miles an hour, wind in your hair, great place to be. Cup holders tucked down below, stereo control. Couple of Rockford Fosgate speakers. What else do you need? What else do you need? You might need a sunshade. Again, we have it. Put the poles in, hang it up, you're out of the sun. Head down into the cabin. Definitely room for an overnighter in here. Family of 4 could certainly spend the weekend down here. Get your television, microwave, another refrigerator for those of you keeping count. That's the 3rd one on the boat, plus the ice maker. Table here, so you want to get out of the sun, you want to have some food down here, get the kids away for a minute. This is great space. Of course, that folds down into a bed as well. Mid-cabin berth back there. Not tons of headroom, but definitely enough space to spend a couple of nights if you're doing a long weekend away. Full-size head, so it does have the pull-out shower, Dometic head, press the button, flush away, real simple, easy, in a big sink. Hope you enjoyed the walkthrough on this 42 Cruisers Yachts GLS South Beach Edition. This boat is on the ground in Maryland and we would be happy to sell it to you. So give us a phone call, stop on in, check out our new location on the Kent Narrows. Hope to see you soon.